Meaning of Last of the Summer Wine.
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 Last of the summer wine. Last of the Summer Wine is the title of a British sitcom that aired on BBC One from 1973 to 2010. The show was set in the fictional town of Holmfirth in West Yorkshire, England, and followed the misadventures of a trio of elderly friends who spent their days getting into humorous and often ridiculous situations. The show's title refers to the idea that these characters were enjoying their last summer together, as they navigated the challenges and joys of growing old.